After X Empire listing, look at market move all the way to this very point. We see a very drastic move significantly to the upside from this very point. Market move up about 767% all the way from this very point of listing to the upside. But one thing is sure here, market is going to go back down, and I'm going to show you that in detail in this very video. And also look at Hamster Kombat. I was talking about market coming back all the way to the downside in my immediate last video on technical analysis, and that is exact same thing we are seeing right here. A deeper look at this, market is going to crash back down, and I'm going to talk about this as well. And finally, Bitcoin price prediction. Expect Bitcoin to retrace significantly to the downside. You see, market move from here, impulsive move, retracement, impulsive move, creation of a new high higher than previous high at this point, which mean market should come back down for retracement, which is very significant. That will aid the market to begin to move all the way to the upside. All of these in this very video. So watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. And by the way, if you have not joined our Telegram channel for more crypto update, news, and technical analysis, check the description and also in the pinned comment. Join right now. It is a free group. Right here on X Empire listing, and market is coming back down, and for sure I am looking at market coming all the way to the downside. The market was listed at 0.401 at this very point, and then we see the market move all the way to the upside to this very area right here of 0.3015, and that is about 804%. Okay, and market from there move all the way downward. We know that you cannot catch this move right here immediately after listing. You can't catch it. Okay, you can only sell within this very point right here of 0.407 in this very area of 0.408 to this very point of 0.301, which the market do get to and then come back all the way to the downside. And by the way, I am on the 1 hour chart, which means market is still going to come back down. So if I go down a little bit to the 30-minute chart, you see something very significant on this very chart is that you see the market is still coming all the way to the downside, which is very, very important right now. I still believe this market have capacity of coming back down, but on the immediate short term, what we need to expect right now is a rise. Okay, market should rise a little bit before coming back down, because that very move is very important. And if you use the Fibonacci retracement tool and you draw from this very point where the market was listed up to this very point where we see this very close, that's the highest close, it discovered that the market have retraced 50%. Okay, so market is at the 0.50% level of the Fibonacci right at this very point, and I believe from here we're going to have a significant move, not creation of a new high, higher than the previous high at this very point. Market is not going to get here before the next crash all the way to the downside. What that means to you as trader is that you need to wait. If you consider buying this for short-term profits, you need to wait for that severe crash to come into the market, and that is what I am personally expecting right now on this very chart. Now, if I go back down a little bit further to the 15-minute chart, okay, the 15-minute chart have a lot to say about this very outlook. Look at it here. Market is already down. Okay, break key level of important support at this very point right here, and right now market is going to come back down a little bit and then move in line with the 30-minute chart that I just showed you. So right here, market is going to move according to the 15-minute chart in line with the 30-minute chart, but notwithstanding that move is going to come back down. It's not going to last long. Therefore, wait for all of this drama to end, because market is still going to come back all the way to the downside. And if I go back to the 1 hour chart, the 1 hour chart is looking very, very bearish for me. Okay, so if you use the Fibonacci retracement tool and you draw from this very point right here up to this very area, you see that the market have not retraced up to 50% level of the Fibonacci using the 1 hour chart. What that means is I am still expecting the market to come back down before the next move to the upside on the 1 hour chart. Look at it here. Market is still going to move back down a little bit into the 0.50 and 0.618 of the Fibonacci retracement to around this very area before we can see the next move upward, and still it is not going to create a new high yet. And this is what I am expecting right now. So for XUSDT price chart 1 hour, please stay away. There is a big dump that is still going to happen in this very market according to this very technical outlook. And this is what I am personally keeping my eye on right now. And for AMSTER, look at AMSTER here. AMSTER have been doing very, very bad since listing. And it's like they just collect money off the table from airdroppers and went away. Look at it. Market after 2 days of listing, we have the first day of listing, market pump all the way to the upside, which is pretty normal with new listed token. And afterward, what happened? Market come back all the way to the downside since then. So market use 2 days to move all the way to the upside. The first day, the second day, bullish candle, and then the third day market begin to come back down till this moment. So it has taken several number of days for market to come all the way to the downside, which market is already in a very huge sequential move all the way down. Look at it here. Market move downward. We have a little retracement downward, little retracement downward, then consolidation around this area. Market is coming back all the way to the downside. But if you look at this, we have this very level of support, which is a lower low, support here, which is a lower low, support here as well, which is a lower low right at this point, and consolidation. Market is still going to come back down, and that is what I am keeping my eye on at the moment. And notwithstanding, if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, it is called that market is just coming out of overbought condition. Can you imagine that? Market that have been coming all the way downward is just coming out of overbought condition, which means market have capacity of crashing back down a little bit all the way downward, and that is what you need to pay attention to right now. So aside using this indicator, from what we are seeing right here, markets still have capacity of coming back down a little bit on AMSTER, and that is what I am expecting personally right now. And if you use the Fibonacci retracement tool and you draw from this very point where the token was listed all the way up to this very point of important resistance to this very area, it is called that the market have retraced 0.618%. Okay, and right now market is going to come back down a little bit. In my own opinion, market is going to come back down to 0.786. A crash all the way to the downside is required before the market will find its way back to the upside. And pretty fine, in the heat of the bull market, market is going to create a new high compared to what we see right here. And that is what I am personally expecting as well on AMSTER right now. So if you are a Hamster Kombat holder or you get this token from airdrop, there is pretty more move that is going to come into the market all the way to the upside, especially in the heat of the bull market. That is fine. I am not saying you should buy AMSTER for the bull market. No, far from it. If you have it already as airdrop, you can keep it. You will get more gain compared to those that sold off around this very area or this very point, which is very important. Don't buy AMSTER or any of these play to earn project token for long-term holding. They're not going to do well in the heat of the bull market. That is my personal opinion. And if you look at BTCUSD 1-day chart, if you look at from this very point, market move upward, create a new high, higher than the previous high at this very area, and then we see this very move downward, which is a retracement, purifying. The market move upward again, create a new high, higher than the previous high at this very point, which means market have that capacity of coming back all the way to the downside for a good retracement before continuation, because that is exact same thing that happened right here after creation of a new high in the past. So this is what you need to keep your eye on right now. Better still, market is going to move upward, okay, but this retracement is the most important thing right now that will help the market to move upward in a very sequential, good, smooth manner. And that is what I am expecting right now, because retracement is needed in the market for the next impulsive move to come into the market as well. And that is what I am expecting right now. Pay attention to market coming back down. and that very move is already in play on the chart, as you can see right here, and that is what I am paying attention to. And looking at the stochastic indicator, you discover that the market is already out of the overbought condition at this very point, and it has crossed below the 80% line, which means the market have capacity of coming back all the way to the downside. And that is what you should be paying attention to right now. I am not saying you should buy the market or sell the market from this very area. Since this is a retracement, you need to wait for that retracement to end, because at the end of that very retracement that is coming in right now, it will give us another buy opportunity, either to take long on futures for the market to move all the way to the upside. Not only that, if you're already in a futures position from this very point right here, or from this very area, you can add up to your position at the end of retracement for the market to move all the way to the upside, because from the higher time frame outlook, for example, the 1 week chart and 1 month chart, market have high capacity of moving all the way to the upside, and that is what I am keeping my eye on right now on the BTC USDT 1 day chart. Expect the market to retrace, and after retracement, market is going to go all the way upward. This is very important for all BTC USD trader and also all crypto trader, because when markets begin to dump on Bitcoin, definitely every other crypto, or 95% of every other crypto, is going to dump all the way to the downside before the next move upward. And also Hamster Kombat and X Empire price prediction. This is very important, guys. Pay attention to all of these. Join our Telegram channel for more updates, news, and technical analysis. Join right now. The link in the description of this very video, and that will be the first link, and also in the pinned comment. Check it out. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video. Subscribe right now and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for watching.